Thanks for checking it as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and today we have a severe threat in the northeast. It's not very extreme, but a slight risk nonetheless. We may be talking about some locally heavy rain over the next few days where thunderstorms develop, and we're going to be seeing these thunderstorms develop along a boundary which is keeping the western U.S. warm now and the eastern U.S. chilly. But before we get into that, how about this? We have a little activity in the eastern Pacific, showers and thunderstorms trying to gather into something. Of course, the National Hurricane Center will keep an eye on that, but at this point, it's a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days. So that's in the eastern Pacific. And 2 days from now, the officials start the Atlantic hurricane season. We've already had Arlene. That was a tropical storm, and that happened on April 20th, and only the second time we've had a tropical storm in the month of April in the Atlantic Basin. And here's a look at some of the forecasts. NOAA recently releasing their forecast saying that it will be a little bit above average, 5 to 9 hurricanes covered at State University, pretty close to average, if not slightly below that, where the average is 12 named storms. So looking at our severe weather threat yesterday over the southeast, today that threat is in the northeast with that slight risk from near Burlington all the way down to Washington, D.C. It looks like large hail and damaging winds will be the primary threat, though we can't rule out an isolated tornado. So again, this afternoon, showers and thunderstorms will be breaking out, continuing to push east through the evening hours. And again, there could be some locally heavy rainfall with that. And then on Wednesday, we do have a marginal threat in the northeast, also in the central U.S. And then for Thursday, we have a couple of marginal threat areas down to the south. So we are watching this boundary again, kicking out the shower and thunderstorm activity over the central U.S., where again, precipitation values over the southern U.S. as we head into the end of the week could be approaching an inch or more. Temperature-wise, pretty chilly to the far north, only 61 in Minneapolis. The extended outlook, of course, does show that cooler air will be in place there.